Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little and tap on passwords and security. Now let's tap on the fingerprint unlock, and here we have to add an additional screen lock. If you've got one currently set, no worries, you will be just transferred to the next step. If not, you will have to do it right now, so you can choose the pattern, pin or password. I will pick the pattern, so simply tap on the option you want to use. Here we've got the warning that we have to remember our password, because if not, then we will have to erase all the data. So let's tap on got it. Here we have to set the pattern, so let's draw it, redraw it and confirm. And now we have to add our fingerprint to this device, and we can do it by putting our finger on the sensor, which is located just on the side of our device on the power button right here. So let me show you, and let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, now you have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. Okay, now we have to move our fingerprint, so let's unroll our finger in order to add all the edges of it, of course for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint. If you want to rename it, simply tap here and you can give it a name, so I will do it, and let's tap on done. And here we've got some fingerprint settings. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it, and here we can rename it or remove it if you want. What's more, you can add another just by tapping on add fingerprint. Under it, we've got the recognition method, so let's tap on it, and here you can decide how you want to unlock the device. So you can unlock it just by touching the sensor or pressing the button. So I will leave the touch, I think, and under it we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So for privacy, password, app lock or fingerprint payments, the unlocking is defaultly set. So now let's actually get back and let's check if it is working. So let's lock our device, and now let's put our finger on the sensor. And as you can see, this device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.